Does seamless flux-cored wire results in less welding cost in shipbuilding? 1 meter flux-cored arc welding wire fillet weld with a height of 4 mm is costing approximately €6 per meter, including labor, welding wire, gas, and devaluation of welding equipment. If we zoom in, we can see that for every €100 spent on welding, each item has the following share. Labor cost is €80. Weld wire cost is €7.50. Gas cost is €7.50. Devaluation costs are €5, especially due to the high labor cost of €40 to €60 per hour in the Netherlands. We see that 80% of the welding costs are absorbed by labor. So this is the part where we should put the focus if we want to cut in welding costs. If we manage to increase welding time with 10%, we already earned €8. Discover the secret to boosting your welding efficiency. Our latest blog unveils expert techniques that could lower your welding costs by 50% or more.